to Chermy. Kasi kambal po sila, kaya para silang pangalan. Kaya second name na lang tinawag ko. And then, si ano po, Mark Gian. Mark Gian, are you there? Are you Mark Gian?
Yes.
Yes. How about si Clark James? Where's Clark James? Are you Clark James? Yes, baby, yes? Yes, okay. How about John Caleb? John Caleb is here. Hello po, welcome po. Si Janela. Janela are you here? You have a candle? Wala pa. RV, where's RV? Yes. So, kompleto na ba yung 7 candles natin? 2, 4, 6, 7, yes, kompleto na po yung 7. Mami, ano na nangyayari? So now we will light the candle. Please light the candle and make a wish. Okay, wait I said after you lighten the candle, you will make a wish for Susane. Baby, you listen to me, okay? You listen to me. After you lighten the candles, you will make a wish for Susane. Okay? Yes. Huwag niyo munang papatayin yung candle, huwag niyo papatayin yung light. Pag hindi pa kayo nag-wish for Susane, okay? So, mami, sisindihan mo na yung kandila. Sa mga guests po natin, wala po may mga upuan pa po dito. Sorry for inconvenience po sa lahat po na hindi nakakaupo. But we have the chair available po. Mami, pasok po kayo. Okay. So, Joy, what's your wish for our debutante to sing? Happy birthday, Susie. Magbago. Yan, Susie. Sana hindi ka daw magbago. What will you say?
Thank you.
How about,
Sana madami kaya yan darating siya.
Ayan, Susie. Sana marami ka daw gift. Yan. Are you like that? How about this Mark? Right, Mark? What's your wish for Susie?
Happy birthday, Susie. Nag-aaral ka mabuti.
Yan, no. Nag-aaral mo mabuti sa Susie. Nag-aaral ka daw mabuti. Oh, kaya nga achiever si Susie, di ba? Yes po. Anong name mo?
James.
Clark James. Anong wish mo kay Susie?
Happy birthday, Susie. Ang Susie, dapat kami sa pagkabar na ang Diyos.
Yan, lagi daw healthy, pero sexy, mukhang sexy ang ating Susie. Ngayon yung tumaba. Okay, how about you? What's your name?
Yang Caleb.
Come again?
Yang Caleb and Shane.
Yan, John Caleb. Anong wish mo kay Susie?
Happy birthday. Sana magka-girlfriend ako.
Magka-girlfriend siya? Wow, meron ka ng suitor, ha? 7 years old pa si Susie. How old are you na ba?
Huh?
Ilan taon ka na?
6.
6? So you're younger than Susie, Mami? Is this, sana magka-girlfriend, magka-boyfriend na daw si Susie? Wow, ha? Mami, ha? Daddy? Okay, what's your wish for Susie?
Happy birthday, Susie. Sana lumaki ka mabait.
Yan, Susie, sana lumaki ka daw mabait. Is Susie mabait? So you're really mabait talaga? Really? Okay. What's your name?
RV po.
What?
RV.
RV. Ate RV, how old are you?
11.
11. So what's your wish for Susie?
Susane, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana hindi ka magbago. Sana sundin mo lahat ng utos ng mga magulang mo sa'yo. Yun lang.
O, Susane, be good girl daw. Dapat susunod ka kay mommy and daddy, ha? Okay, thank you. And then, sabay-sabay po natin si Susane po yung mag-blow ng candle. Okay. So, daddy, please help Susane to blow the candles po. So, kids, lapit po kayo doon para sabay-sabay na lang mag-blow kasi baka maubusin ng hinihingal ating birthday celebrant. Blow ni Susane yung candles, lapit doon, lapit. Baka mapaso ha, slowly. Yan. So, Susane, blow the candles. 1, 2, 3. Daddy, you blow. You blow the candles. Yeah. Thank you. Have a seat na.
Kunin ba yung candle?